Humans marvel at the birds because they are free. And with just a few strokes of their wings, they can soar over the earth and around the world. Yet birds are jealous of humans whose spirit is free, who can paint and draw, who can laugh and sing, who can create, who know how to enjoy life with all their senses, who observe and feel, who make history, who make incredible things from the simplest materials. Dream-like neighborhoods, unforgettable flavors, music that moves you, works of art that inspire and excite you, who don't hesitate to climb the highest peak for a glimpse of sunset, or dive into the clearest sea to enjoy its fresh and seductive beauty, who dare to follow their instincts no matter where they might lead. I admire humans because they can express themselves with words which become poetry, shapes which become art, colors which become flavors, notes which become music. And all this brings the human soul to the heights of heaven that no bird can reach, in touch with the divine. I admire humans because they can imagine and dream and believe and love. And we birds, here from above, we admire the splendid achievements of men, but they can enjoy them in all their glory throughout a fantastical journey called